So yeah, that's me. I'm looking like, is this thing on? And now, ta-da, I'm going to show you I'm doing 1, 2, 3 canvases. So these are the colors that I'm using, and every color that I've mixed is going to be listed at the end of the video, because I don't know what I'm doing. But I basically have 2 yellows, 2 blues, and 2 reds. So 3 colors, basically 3 families, and 3 canvases. And I'm trying to figure out exactly what I'm doing, how I'm going to lay my colors for this blowout that I'm doing. I don't even know if it's called that, but I'm using my hair dryer to blow out some stuff, and I just don't know. I didn't know. So we're going to start with this, I think it's the Yellow Oxide, so it's a little darker, and I think I'll put it here, and I'm going to make a nice little wiggle wave or something. I didn't want to do it straight, and this is the Naples Yellow, and I'm just doing a little bit of that. And I have a tendency to drip, so I'm going around the canvas. And this is one of my favorites, the Prussian Blue. And switching it up a little bit, came from the other side. I see me, I see me. And this is a mix that I actually created. Probably not the first, but it's the Sapphire from Deco Art, Extreme Sheen, mixed with the Aqua Flash from Folk Art. And this is just a Bordeaux, which I also love. And this one here is just Magenta Light as well, just the plain colors. So I don't know what I'm doing here. Some little squiggly wiggly doodads. Loving that. And I'm happy about finally finishing my pour. Okay. So this is a cell activator. I am using it to, like, I don't know. It's a little thick. So I'm going to add some water. And it's just regular purified water. And I'm supposed to add like 1 or 2 drops at a time. But I do a nice healthy squirt. Because everything I do, I don't mix anything by measuring. I just figure it out. And as I go along, I'm just figuring out what works and what doesn't work. And for me, I'm just figuring consistency and texture on my own, and adding and subtracting. So I spilled some there. But I'm going to go around this. I'm going to end up blowing this over the top, kind of to help my colors flow, I guess. And I'm just going around and around and up and down. And I say, what the hell? And I just go for it. I'm just sprinkling. Just a little dibble dabble. Little sprinkle of the cell activator. Yeah. Like how I did that? Yep. I don't know what I'm looking for. Oh, I think it was the cover. Don't know what's that. Oh well. We'll just move that out the way. And I'm going to move on my paints, because I will either knock them over or blow them over, because that is my luck. So I've got some bubbles, and I break out my torch. And I find that I am low, like extremely low on butane. Like, I think this is it. So I'm really close, because the flame is like a centimeter long. And I think I'm almost out. Am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? I'm probably making it. Oh, no. That's it. Oh, so sad. So I say fuck it, and I just get the blow dryer. And I'm going to try to go over with the white. And I seem to be doing that. There we go. There we go. Oh, oh, little blowout. Blow out too prematurely. And then I think I'm trying to figure out which way I'm going to blow. I'm going to go out to the side and go up a little bit, out, down. Kind of figuring it out as I go. But I like to have a little bit of a game plan. So I guess what we're doing here is blowing up for someone out. And then I know that I probably put too much white. So I'm going to blow some of that off. Because also that flood, that base paint, it's getting blown too. And I don't want to, I think I made a boo-boo. Which I tend to do often. And that's okay. We all make mistakes. I mean, not mistakes, they're happy accidents. I've learned that from Bob Ross. He's so sweet. Well, he was. So yeah. So now we're going down. And I'm going to bring it across a little bit so it starts to mix. Somebody's singing happy birthday. I have no freaking idea why. It's nobody in this house's birthday. That's my baby. She's so weird. I just don't know why. Well, I can only imagine. So this one I'm going to go up, and out to the side and down. And I have no idea what I'm doing. I just like to use the hairdryer, I guess. So, yep, little squiggly wiggly there. We're going to go on up and take it on up. Take it on out. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, take it on up. So I'm happy because I think I like the way this looks. So I probably should just stop there. I have a tendency to blow my load quick and just too much of it at once when it does happen. So I overdo it. Like, seriously, I should have left this alone. And I think what I wanted to do was bring out some more colors and straighten some stuff out. And then I messed it up a little bit. So I said, oh, I'll just bring down a little more. Let me just bring this out a little more. Oh, I'm just going to bring this out a little more. Oh, I'm just going to take it on down. And I didn't like that. So sometimes enough is enough. I'm not extremely happy with what I did, I don't think. I think I'm looking at this and trying to figure it out. And I should just left it alone. I know I had enough negative space, but I like the last one. The first one is okay, and that middle one is just like a piece of crap. So here I'm just using my mouth to blow this out. And I'm getting everything in it, including my hair. Jesus. Gee, Louise. My boobies. Everything is going in it, so my apologies if you can't see what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first time recording myself doing anything, I think. And I don't know, like I'm passionately kissing this canvas, and I'm pretty sure that's not what I was doing. But either way, I think it made the paint happy, and me as well, and it worked out well. And I am just going to keep on doing this, and I'm pretty sure that the one that I said I liked, it didn't need much of anything, and I really wish I would have zoomed in so that you guys could see, but I wanted you to get, like, the full gist of what I was doing. So this is an old pouring medium bottle that I kept from Artist Love, and it's actually what I use to remix my base paint. And this is a little thingamajiggy that I got I think it's like a folding and some kind of tool I got from the Dollar Tree for like card making. And yeah, I was in there the other day, and by the other day I meant this morning, and I decided that I was gonna look for something that I could continuously scrape with, that wasn't big, and I found that, and I thought it was awesome because I don't have to use all my little popsicle sticks, just to scrape. And this is what I did. I just got a cup, just poured some out because I know I didn't need the more. I need the less, and my hands are terrible. I shake all the time. So I'm just going to pour. This is that part that I really didn't like, that I wish I would have left alone. And I'm just pouring some white in. Took off the part I didn't like. Pouring in some white. And I'm just going to spread it out a little with one of my infamous popsicle sticks. And after I spread it, I think I just pick up a little bit of the paint it might have smeared through. So I don't know if I'm asking for guidance from the Lord or what. I'm trying to hold everything in together. I'm gonna do a little bit of a blowjob here and make this part not look so contrived and prepared. Like I wanted to like go. There goes these glasses. They can't see with them. Can't see without them. Hold everything up, and I'm flipping everything off. And here we go. The blowing. There goes the hair. Watch the hair. Watch the hair. Watch the. It's going, going, going. I know it's gonna go into it because I know I flipped this canvas off a few times. Nope, 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 nope. There we go. What the hell? Up, down, into it. Yeah. Yeah. So this painting includes a good amount of DNA from me. So you can tell it's an original. It's got my DNA. Well, it's got somebody's DNA because that's not even my hair. Poor little Brazilian lady. So I think I probably got a few little pieces of dips or something in there. Or I wanted more of the white paint. So I'm just scraping some off of this little pea pad. It's supposed to be used for puppies. But the other night, my toddler fell asleep with no pull-up on. And the quickest thing I could think to do was to grab a pea pad and put it under her. It was either that or a towel because she had ran out of pull-ups, which is very rare, but it happens. I think it happens to the best of us. So I'm just trying to soften up these little wispy pieces. And wispy's okay, but I don't really think that was the exact look I was going for. It didn't really blend with the rest. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's a friend. Oh, hello. Hello, friend. Oh, yep. Camera's on. Yep. See that? Camera's on. Not that it matters, because guess what? I'm over here mad at the painting. Flipping it off. Yep. See, there it goes. Goes another good one. Good shot. Oh, there goes the baby. She's like, come on, friend. Come on. That's one of the gummies. Bye-bye. Go with your godmother. So these are the colors that I used. I guess that is whatever happens in my video. And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Click on the link at the end of this video. And I will see you guys next time.